Anuj is asking, what is insecurity? Why do we experience it? And essentially, how to get rid of it? Insecurity is fear. Going to the word secure. Secure means that which cannot go away, which cannot be taken away. Correct? It is secure. It cannot go. It cannot be stolen. It cannot be taken away from me. And that is security. The thing with us, Anuj, is that whatever we have has come from outside. And what is really ours, of that we have no understanding. Whatever we identify with has come from the external. Somebody comes to you and says, Anuj, you are brilliant. Now, here is a statement, Anuj is brilliant. Somebody else has come over and said, Anuj is brilliant. And because the mind is not fully alert, what does it do? It does not want to know on its own. It says, he is saying I am brilliant. So I internalize it that I am brilliant. So look at the process. Somebody says, you are brilliant. And that statement changes to I am brilliant. Now my sense of myself, my sense that I am brilliant is not coming from within me. It is coming from somebody else. It is dependent on somebody else. Because it is dependent on somebody else, I will now be insecure. Somebody told me that I am brilliant, and I said I am brilliant. Now if somebody else or the same person tells me that I am stupid, I have to accept that as well. So there will always be a great danger. I'll always be afraid. I'll be afraid that somebody else can come and declare me to be stupid. Getting it, Anuj?